Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Yoruba faster. To truly accelerate your learning, immerse yourself in the language daily. Listen to Yoruba music, watch films, and try to understand the context. Consistent practice with native speakers is crucial. Even short, regular conversations make a huge difference. Start with essential vocabulary and common phrases to build a strong foundation quickly. This approach will help you grasp the language more efficiently and confidently. To make your study time more effective, flashcards are your best friend for vocabulary retention. Review them throughout the day, not just in one sitting. When tackling grammar, don't get overwhelmed. Break it down into smaller, digestible chunks. This makes complex rules much easier to understand and remember. Also, setting realistic daily and weekly goals keeps you motivated and ensures consistent progress without burnout. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, learning a new language can be hungry work. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond formal study, cultural immersion significantly boosts your learning. Seek out local Yoruba cultural events or community groups to experience the language in a natural setting. A language exchange partner provides invaluable real-time conversation practice and feedback. For constant exposure, label everyday items around your home with their Yoruba names. This simple trick keeps the language present in your daily life. Learning a new language comes with its challenges, but don't let them deter you. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Everyone makes them. Consistency is key, so stick to your study schedule even when life gets hectic. Even a short session is better than none. Remember to celebrate your small victories, like understanding a new phrase or holding a short conversation. This keeps your motivation high and makes the journey enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.